you like to read but never find where you stop? I have the solution. With my bookmarks, you will always find where you stopped. My bookmarks are extraordinary. They're not like normal boring bookmarks. They're made out of paper or metal. My bookmarks are beautiful. Each of my bookmarks is unique. They're made by hand. Each one is different. You will never find this in any other store. You can decorate and play with my bookmark too. My bookmarks are the best there is in the world. With my bookmarks, you can save time by not flipping through pages, and you'll find easier the page you stopped on. That's not all. My bookmarks make a perfect gift. You can give it to your family or friends. The person you give this will be very happy. There are so many reasons to buy a bookmark. Oh, you will always enjoy your reading. £3 per bookmark. My shop has discounts. You won't find this at any other store. My bookmarks will save time. My bookmarks are beautiful, they're fancy, and there are lots of different styles. You can use my bookmarks to decorate. You can play with it too. Come get it now. Come to Mark's Bookmarks.